Hello everyone, I am Vishnu Kumar Shah. Today I am here to present my presentation. After starting my presentation, at first I would thank to my honorable teacher Mr. Shamim Iqbal who give me a chance something say about different operating system. At first we have to know what is operating system. We can easily say that operating system is a like the brain of a computer. It helps the computer understand what we want it to do. Imagine you have a robot. The operating system is the set of instructions that tells the robot how to move, talk, and do tasks. Without it, the robot wouldn't know how to work. For a computer, the operating system helps run the program, store files, contact the device, connect the device, and protect the computer from virus and hackers. Now, I would like to describe different types of operating systems. An operating system is a software that helps manage a computer hardware and software. There are several types of operating systems designed for specific purposes. For example, bash operating system, time sharing operating system, distributed operating system, embedded operating system, real time operating system, mobile operating system, network operating. In the present world, there are many popular operating systems such as Windows, macOS, Linux, Android operating system, iOS operating system. Now I am describing Windows operating system. Windows is an operating system designed by Microsoft to be used on a standard x86 Intel and AMD processors. It provides an interface known as graphical user interface, which eliminated the need to memorize commands by line using a mouse to navigate through menus, dialog box, tab, and icon. The operating system was named Windows since the programmer displayed shape of a square. The Windows operating system has been designed for both a novice user just using at home as well for professionals who are into development. The feature of Windows operating system, it supports enhanced performance by utilizing multi-core processor. It comes many productivity tools, help to complete all types of everyday tasks on your computer. Windows has a very large user base. There is a much larger selection available software program utilized. Windows is backward compatible, meaning hardware is automatically detected, eliminating need of manual installing any device driver. Now I would like to describe about Linux operating system. Linux operating system is an open source operating system that is freely distributed cross-platform operating system developed by UNX. It is basically the system software of a computer that allows apps and user to perform some specific tasks on the computer. The development of Linux operating system pioneered the open source development and became the symbol of software collaboration. Android mobile operating system. Android is a Google Linux based operating system. It is designed primarily for touch-screen mobile device such as a smartphone, tablet computer, iOS mobile operating system. iOS, which is short for iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple. The iOS user interface is based upon using multitask gestures such as swipe, tap, pins, and reverse pins. The purpose of this finger action is to provide the user with fast responsive input given from multiple fingers to the multiple task capacitive screen. The operating system for Apple Mac. The operating system for Apple Mac computer is a Mac OS, which is designed to the work with the hardware. Mac OS is designed for privacy and security and works with iCloud to keep documents, photos, and other files updated across device. It also integrates with other Apple devices like iPhone. Mac OS was originally called OS and it was first introduced 1984. Comparative analysis of different operating system. Windows operating system basically user friendly, but it is not open source operating system. Security level can be moderate. Targeted device can be PCs, laptops. Mac operating system sleek, intuitive. It's also not open source operating system, but security level very high. Targeted device max. Linux operating systems can be called highly customizable. It also open source operating system. Security level high. Targeted device PCs, servers. Android mobile operating system is intuitive, but it is not fully open source, but can be called partially open source. Security level moderate. Targeted device mobile. iOS operating system sleek and consistent, but it also not open source operating system. Security level high. Targeted device mobile. Now I would like to describe about advantages and disadvantages of different operating systems. At first, Windows. Windows widely used, extensive software compatibility, phone to malware licensing cost. It is disadvantage. Mac OS operating system, seamless ecosystem, strong performance. Its advantage, but disadvantage is high cost, limited to Apple hardware. Linux operating system advantages can be called free, customizable, and secure, but disadvantage is steeper learning curve, limited software support. It's also disadvantage. Android mobile operating system. Android is open source, large app library. Disadvantage fragmentation issues, security concerns. iOS operating systems advantage can be called smooth performance, secure ecosystems. Its advantage, but disadvantage is limited customization, expensive hardware. It's a disadvantage. Now, the applications of operating systems, where basically applicable of operating system personal use, Windows, macOS, Linux. It's used personal use, business use, Windows Server, Linux Server, macOS, mobile device, Android, iOS, specialized devices, embedded Linux. History of operating system. In 1950 centuries, base of bash OS for mainframes. In 1960 to 1970, development of UNIX and time sharing systems. 1980, introductions of Windows and Mac OS for personal computer. 2000, emergence of mobile OS like Android and iOS. 2010 to onwards, cloud-based operating. The future of operating system. The future of operating system in home computing is developing rapidly, driven by innovations in AI, quantum computing, cloud service, edge computing, immersive technologies, AI integrated OS, the growth of AR and VR, spatial computing. The role of OS also no longer be limited to managing hardware, optimizing workflows, provide seamless integration across multiple devices and platforms. Conclusion: the variety of operating systems available caters to different user needs and preferences, from personal computing and professional workstation to mobile device specialized application. Understanding the unique feature requirement, ensuring the optimal and effective computer experience. That's all about today. Thank you everyone. Thank you all.